what is S Pen to text and how to enable it. So welcome to another video of Texor. To enable S Pen to text on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you need to open settings application. So for that, open app drawer, swipe up and open app drawer. Now open settings application, scroll down, tap on advanced features. Now tap on S Pen. And here is the option S Pen to text. Make sure this is enabled. If this is disabled, enable it. Now tap on S Pen to text. So this is the feature S Pen to text. You can enable this. If you enable this, you can use your S Pen to write in search fields, address bars and other text areas. Your handwriting will be converted to text, but you can still scratch out, add to and edit the converted text with your S Pen. So by clicking on how to edit, you can see how you can edit your text with your S Pen. So if you have written Galaxy S Pen and you want to remove this S Pen, just cut this S Pen, and now that the text is edited, it is only Galaxy. If you want to put a space between S Pen, S and P, so just create a line between two letters and see there are space between S and P. If you want to remove the gap, just write a line between S and P, and now the line is removed, the space is removed. If you want to remove any letter, just write that letter and tick mark it, then the letter is removed. Or if you want to add, same, you can just write the letter and add it. So in this way you can edit your text using your S Pen. If you want a writing toolbar, then you can enable this. So this is S Pen to text. In this way you can enable S Pen to text on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Texor.